Ice cream lovers, we're back here with Gelato Jonny. Big hit from last year at the show. We had a lot of mail come in. We don't get mail generally, but a lot of mail, a lot of cheeky monkey action.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah. Now, we're going to chit-chat with you. That's lovely.
Lovely. Cheeky monkey. There you go.
I always love to come over and visit these shows and kind of have a look at, hey, what's new, what's trending, what's coming out of Europe. Cheeky Monkey got an upgrade this year.
Yes. So what we're trying to do is whenever we sell a product at our business, we don't want that to be just for one thing. So Cheeky Monkey, we've evolved it. So we started off last year with Ghost of the Beach, which was on a blue vanilla. Yeah. And we had Lazy Sunday and Stuck in the Mud, which was in a chocolate. But now we've changed it a bit. So in the UK, quite a traditional kids-like dessert is bananas and custard. So chopped bananas in a cold custard. So we've made Cheeky Monkey's banana custard, which has been a really, really popular one. So just a custard cream in the base and then Cheeky Monkey ribbled through.
This one here was the one we tasted yesterday and it was out of control.
Yeah, so Cheeky Monkey does the rumba. In the UK, a rumba bar is basically a banana, which is put into a pan and then cooked and caramelised in rum. So we've made that with rum, caramel, a little bit of banana, and finished it with a little bit of cinnamon just to warm up the flavour on the palate. The peanut butter banana brownie, which has been a bit of indulgence. Peanuts are a mixed bag in the UK because we are quite high sensitive on our allergens. But if people do have peanut butter, this is the kind of thing they want. You've got the texture and the gooiness of the brownie, the sweetness of the banana, and then that lovely savoury of the peanut in the background as well. Nice. A little bit of salt in there as well.
Crumble is a big thing now coming in.
Yeah, and I think this has come from your way actually, because texture's really, really important in ice cream at the moment. The Italians especially are really pushing texture, so we're getting a lot of flavoured crumbles. What's really, really nice about all of these crumbles is that they've been made gluten-free.
Right.
So, as we're saying to you, we're quite sensitive on allergens in the UK. Having a gluten-free crumble available is really, really important. So these are all made with rice flour, but you wouldn't know from trying them. So this is a Fruits of the Forest crumble. The flavour is...
Wow, that
really,
flavour
really
is
nice.
so intense.
Yeah.
And I think that's the difference, is that a lot of people are using crumble for texture and not flavour.
Yes, but this is like levelling up. People want great flavour, but they want to feel the bite. Right. They want to feel things breaking down on the palate as well as the flavours. So
we call it a party in your mouth.
People party in your mouth.
People want a party in your mouth.
Careful where you say that up north. It could mean something else. So that big trend came out of Italy, but there was another one that came out of Italy as well. That was mixing fruits together. Right.
A lot of people love the sorbets of the world and those kind of very unique flavours, and maybe there's one or two kind of fusion ones. But what we've got here is 2, 3, 4 flavours all melded into each other.
What I like about this concept is you've already got these ingredients on the shelf. You're not having to commercially put yourself at more risk or have more space or anything like that. Most people have a watermelon, they have a mango, they have a strawberry, and it's then finding those flavours and binding them together. Juice bars are really popular in a lot of shopping centres, and no one's going in buying just one flavoured juice. It's a combination, and that concept has moved its way into the cabinet. Most popular ones here are like mango with passion fruit and turmeric. Yep. We've got watermelon with mango, lime and basil. So you've got your mixture of fruits, and then they're just throwing a seasoning or a spice or a herb in there as well, just to take it to another level. The most simple ones I think are the best. So there's a really nice peach, mango and passion fruit.
Let's try that? Yeah, absolutely. So this is peach?
Yeah, mango and passion fruit together. We call it a trilogy of flavours.
I think that's one of the greatest kind of skills that a frozen dessert maker can do, is balance flavour.
Yeah.
This one here, turmeric, interestingly.
Yes, yeah. Adding a bit of warmth to what could be a quite cold product because it's a sorbet. Turmeric can become quite offensive quite quickly on the palate, so you've got to be very careful. Your mango, watermelon, basil and lime. And the great thing about that, the watermelon comes through and then you just get this lovely little journey of flavours towards the end coming. So it starts off very watermelon. And then
I love a journey of flavours.
Journey of flavours.
Do you work on new catchphrases for each show? Or?
No, I just talk a lot of rubbish and eventually it just all sticks. Yeah. So, Gelato, it's half the fat, so you can eat twice as much. Things like that.
Hey, and congratulations, you won an award last night.
Yeah.
Big award.
Yeah, we've won a few awards. So we're a cone manufacturer. So we've developed this cone. We won best food products, and this cone We've made it a deli-style cone, so it's quite strong. We've used a lot of brown sugar instead of white sugar to caramelise it.
Right.
The most impressive thing about it is, and you wouldn't know, is it's gluten-free.
Gee.
It's got a lovely caramelised snap to it, and really, unless you tell someone it's a gluten-free cone.
Right.
And that's how gluten-free should be now. It shouldn't
Absolutely.
be. Used to be, if you label something gluten-free, it'd be a negative. It would be, oh, that's not going to be as good.
Right.
But actually, we're not even going to advertise this as gluten-free. We're just advertising a deli-style cone, which happens to be gluten-free. We've also got a packaging award because we're trying to replace single-use plastic Napolis with a cardboard carton.
Yep.
Which you just cut open and slide your gelato into a metal. But last night the awards we won, we put in our Flavour House Awards, which are caramelised biscuits. So there was 3 we put in, and we finished 1st, 2nd and 5th.
Now, I don't want to spill the beans. I was a judge on that yesterday. There were some that came through that were good, and there were some that came through that just was levelling up.
Yeah.
And that was you.
The reason that we put 3 in is because I really believe that just because I like something away doesn't mean that I'm right.
Right.
People prefer different styles of products. Some people want texture, some people don't want texture. So having the ability to go, we've got a textureless one, we've got a really cinnamony one, we've got a really caramelised one, put those 3 in and then see how
How
a
they
group
perform.
of our peers like you think they are. The ethos of our business, which is to service everyone in the ice cream market, not just
Right.
like the higher end or the lower end, but actually anyone should be able to deal with anyone, and adding value to the ice cream market. A good range of products has helped us do that.
Mate, to me, this shows I'm on a track of conversation, and I hear someone say cheeky monkey over here, and it takes me right up. It just shows you how valuable a relationship is with a supplier.
Yeah.
Right?
No, absolutely.
And you've got to extract all of that knowledge out of your suppliers, because there's award-winning years of experience and flavour blending that you can get from them. Where's the best place to find a little bit more about Gelato Jonny?
So it's at Gelato Jonny on Instagram. You can also go to antonellì.co.uk and have a look at us there as well.
We'll put all those links in.
And also icecreamtraining.co.uk, because the school I run, not quite to the level of Scoop School, but the school I run is also quite a popular one in the UK. As a supplier, we see ingredients as a business partnership. We don't really see it as just sales, because I'm not going to Vegas because I've sold a tub of vanilla. We don't make amazing money in those things, but long-term relationships and giving good advice to help businesses succeed is why we do what we do the way we do it.
Mate, there's a partnership. It's a partnership.
It is. No, it is. It's a relationship, and you want to help people get the very best out of it. So more people buy the products, they have to buy more from us, and everybody wins in that relationship.
I'm glad we have a partnership.
Yeah. Absolutely.
It's only a yearly partnership,
Yeah.
but that's fine.
But it's enough. You've met my wife. It's enough for you. Trust me.
Thank you, Gelato Jonny. All of those links will be down below. A great day at the show. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.